Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel, and today the one of very important tools in Excel we'll see, that is data and tools. So it is very important for a class 10th IT, for who are studying IT subject optional for class 9th and 10th. They have subject on a chapter is there, so you should be understand the data tools. And first it is available in the data. In data already I prepared one video regarding the data table, so you can be watch that video. Remaining all parts are there except the data tools. So let us see now. First we'll see in data tools text to column. Okay, first option is text to column. Suppose if I return here one name, I'll write here continuously. I will write here Rahul Dravid. Okay, Indian. So already I have written in the text, so it is in only one column I written, not gap, nothing. You can see here. Okay, otherwise I'll make somewhat maximize, you can understand one. So I want to make here wherever I given the space, that has to be separate. Okay, that has to be separate, column should be there. Suppose I want to make here, select first here. Okay, I want to make wherever I given gap, I want to make separate columns. Just to click text to columns. Okay, there option you can select fixed width. Okay, Rahul Dravid I written there. Next I'll click here, so it will show you where it is a gap. If you want gap here also, you can keep only one gap, or if you want every gap you can keep. Okay, depend upon you. Just and click here, next. Okay, finish. When you finish it, you can see here Rahul Dravid Indian has become separate column. So if you want individual three also, you can use here again same text to column. Okay, fixed width. Okay, next. Okay, gap is Rahul Dravid Indian. Okay, you can click here finish. You can see here Rahul Dravid Indian. So separate three columns came. If you want to keep two also, three also you can keep. That is called text to column. And next comes here flash fills. See, sometime I want only short names. Like suppose I'll write here Monday, okay, Tuesday, Tuesday. So I will drag for a whole week. I'll take here. Suppose I have a pattern like this. So here I want only the letter of 3 should become. Monday means MON. So all columns, if I want like the same, just to click here, drag up to here. Just go and click flash fill. So you can see when you click flash fill, all only initial 3 categories coming, three letters are coming. So that is like if you want to make all bulk of information, you can be use the short in the category. And here come next one is here remove duplicates. Suppose I want to write here numbers. Okay, 5 3. So some numbers I'll be write here double. Suppose same I'll copy down, control C and control V, copy. See, out of this column I want to be remove the double which is coming copy. So you can be identify the duplication. Just to click go and remove duplication. So click remove duplicates. So you can see here column, click OK. Remove duplications. Remove duplications, select all, click OK. You can see here out of these duplications already went away. Okay, because already we made the double and we are clear the duplications. Okay, easily you can be find out duplication, you can be remove that one. And now it's come first data validation. So this column I'll be put some condition. On the basis of condition, data should be accept. Here click data validation. Okay, when you click data validation, you can be take here depend upon you date, time. Okay, text, custom. Okay, I'll take your whole number. So between I'll put here maximum it should be take 50, minimum of 50 to 100 it should be enter. Okay, when I click OK, if I entered here 45, okay, between, one second, I'll check condition one more time. You can see data validation. In this whole number we are taking between range 50, okay, that's why it not take, understand, 50 to 100, because already we kept same. Here I mentioned that 49, when I'm taking 14 it's not taking. So I'll type here 51, 60, 75, 80, okay, 90, up to 100 I can mention. If I mention 110, it will not accept. It will give the instruction the value you entered is not valid. Like this you can put the conditions. Okay. Or if I write below 50 also 45 entered, it will give the instructions. So because we are given condition of 50 to 100 should be enter the that one. That is called consolidation. Okay. You can be put particular here. Okay. Here reference is, you can see many are there, not consolidation one. Okay, you can see in that consolidation column. Okay, if you want reference of some, sorry, this is not applicable. Okay, data validation, this I think you have understand. And circle of invalid data, suppose sometime it will help you. If you select here this one, okay, I'll take here circle invalid data. Okay, if I 49, it's not accepting because I have to be change the condition. Clear validation. Okay, clear, I should be clear validation circles. Okay, now I'll take circles, we'll try it with this one. Okay, this column already we put here circle invalid data. If I write here 46, 48, 42, it is accepting and it is data of circle invalid data. Same condition you can give again data. Okay, or you can use here any value, it not accepting. Same 30, you can give up to 40 as only 10 numbers you can be enter. Okay, surrounding circle, you can see here whichever above number is there, it will be put the circles, or you can be put the invalid, or you can put here in condition also it is there validation. Error alert also is there. Okay, so input message also is the message is coming. If you want to somewhat own message also you can keep. Okay, this number is not valid, like this you can keep. So this is for data validation. Now next comes here consolidate. In consolidate, what happens when you want to be add, okay, when you want to be add the marks, it will be help you. Suppose this is the consolidation I'll take here. See, this is I have one subjects are there. First I'll be click here, this I want to make total, just I'll maximize here. See, this is I want to make a total, then you go here consolidation. Okay, then first I'll remove all old. Okay, whichever I'll select what I'll remove. Okay, so I want to make fresh total of here, just you click consolidate here and go here what you want function is, you should select the function. Sum is there, average is there, count is there. If you want to take a total, just you go sum. When I click sum, which you want to be click sum, just you click take reference. I want to be add English. Okay, and click add. Next I want to add Hindi. Okay, and add. The next I want to add last social I want to add, because I don't want to add the maths. Okay, so then you click add. When you click OK, automatically total will come. You can see this is a total of this marks. Suppose if you want to take same as consolidate, you can be take instead of sum, you can take average. See, already we have selected this one, no need to select again. Just you click OK, you can find the average. So this is the use of consolidate. See, out of 5 subject I wanted to add only English, Hindi and social. I don't want 5 subject, I want only 4 subject. That's why I have taken only 4 subject. So like this you can be used for the consolidate. I hope you understand. And next comes here scenario and goal seek. What if analysis. So this is a in Excel chart, in spreadsheet chart already given scenario and goal seek. So I will take one table, I'll create here. So simply I will take, see, this is one sheet is there. Okay, otherwise I'll be create myself on wait one take I'll new sheet. So here, so I want to check the scenario. First I'll check scenario. First suppose I have one quantity is there keyboard. Okay, and keyboard price is 100 rupees. Okay, and quantity is there, quantity I have quantity is 50, I sold out, and I want to make here into multiplication. Okay, then this one into, you can select this one. So this is the value of 5000 rupees I sell. Then I'll go here scenario, I'll click here, and I will be add this scenario, and scenario name has to be given. Maybe suppose I sold out in Monday. This is my scenario. Okay, this is okay, one. Okay, scenario you should be select cell. Okay, add, this is Monday. If you want to add one more also you can add, otherwise close here. See, I want to change again here, content is instead of 50 I written 60. Now value is 60. If I want to add again, I can add in the scenario, instead of that one I can use Monday as a Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday, this is my sales report. You can see I have entered sales. Okay, now Monday and Tuesday, see, this is our report, this is our quantity. I just have taken two quantity, you can take more quantity. When you go, if scenario manager, I want to check the Monday report, just if I click a show, I'll get the Monday report, how much I sold that one. If you want to take the Tuesday report also, you can be check the Tuesday report. Okay, which kind of you report you want to check, you can be check the report of this one. Okay, like this. If you want to be check the report of week wise scenario, so you can comparison with cities. Okay, and you can compare it with your sales report. So these are you can be do in the scenario form. And next comes here goal seek. Suppose I have some marks are given 45 plus, okay, 50. Suppose I have taken here one, I'll make here, this is my Hindi subject, I scored 45 marks. I scored English. Okay, like this you can make table. This is the total. So here I'll make here total is mine. I'll go directly auto sum, I'll click the total. Okay, this is I got the 95. But thing is that instead of 95 I have target as 120 130 like this. So where I have to be changed. So like this, if you want to see, you can go here goal seek option. See, set is a cell F3, and you have to select here which subject. By changing cell, I want to be changed in Hindi subject. So my target is 90, instead of 90 I want to make 120. Okay, this is my target. So when you click here, okay, see, it's come already 120. Instead of 40 it has to be 70, you have to score. This is like this you can be check your goal seek. So you have to make multiple plans. So if you want to suppose this exam you scored somewhat 60%, if you want to score 70% in next exam, which subject I have to cover particularly, you have to like this we can be manage in the goal seek. So it will help you in the managing that one. And next comes here data table. Data table, what happened when you want to be make data series, there he has to be used. Suppose I have one, I'll take here, I'll put one here. So here I want to take here 1 equals to, sorry, equals to, I want to make multiple 1 into 1. So this is 1. So same I'll type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Same here I want a table to be series. Okay, 3 4 5, 4 and 5 I'll take. So how many series you want, you can be take the series. Okay, and if you want to make series, just you have to select here, go to the here data table. Here row input you have to select here. Okay, which row, this anyone you can take one. And column input you have to select no. When you click OK, all table should be filled automatically. So like this, if you want to make table series, you can be make in the table data series. I hope you understand. And next, last one come here, relationship. So when you want to build the relation between the two tables, you can do. See, I already have sheet. So I have one sheet is here, ID number, name and fees. Okay. Another sheet is here, ID number, name and course. So what I want to make relationship between here, course I have changed, here fees I made. Okay. I want to be made relation between that one. First I will be click here this table, go to insert and click here pivot table. One table I click OK. So here you should be make add this data to the data model. Okay, click OK. When you click this one, another table is there here. We have to be select here as two sheets. I'll make this one as a table. Go to insert and create the table. Create table. So here what in next here, it is a pivot table. I want to be compare it the both. You can see here field X. Okay, here we have two content. Here I want to make one is the range table is I want to take here ID number. Just I'll click here, otherwise I'll take here name. Okay, I have taken the all names here. And another table I want to check here as I want to take as here expand. Go to expand all. Here is section, sorry, I'll take here course, sorry. So if you want to be compared to three tables, you can be compare here. I'll take here all. One is the range, this one here. I'll take here in the range. I'll set only the name. Okay, I'll take only name. And apart from here, I'll be select here as in course table 3. I'll take fees. Okay, you can see here like this. You can be I have separate tables are there. If you want to make relation, you can be click the relation and you have to select here range and ID number or name. The range table 3, you have to select the fees. So like this you can make the content and total everything. If you want to be compare or making relation with the multiple tables, you can use the tables. So data and tools somewhat you have to 2-3 times you have to practice, then you can be understand. That's why when I explain about data menu tab, so I left data tools because it will take some more time and you have to understand. So I hope you have understand for data and tools. Please practice on. Please comment, share and like.